This is zonafan.
What is up, guys? This is zonafan back at it with another tech update video. And recently I just celebrated my birthday and I got a few new gifts that could help improve the production value and also allow me to do more with my content in general. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. The two products that we have here today are the Movo VX-R10 Universal Cardioid Microphone alongside the GooFoto G1 tripod. Right out of the box, the tripod itself is a lot bigger than I was expecting. It also does include a few accessories like a shutter button along with a smartphone holder to mount to the top of the tripod. I don't think I will be using these accessories too much, however. When you're unboxing the Movo microphone, you get a few tools and accessories along with a few pieces of paper from the company and also an instructional manual. Now, with the paper out of the way, you do get two shock mount clips for your microphone as well as a cable to connect your microphone into your camera along with one for your smartphone. You also get a accessory bag to fit all of your items into when you're on the go. Now, the microphone itself does come with a attached dead cat wind muff, and the wind muff itself is a little bit hard to get off and it does shed, but besides that, it does function pretty well. Okay, now that all of the new gear is out of the box and set up, let's switch over to my new and more mobile camera rig in 3, 2, 1. And here we are on the brand new gear, which includes the Movo microphone and also the new grip tripod. Let me just say this. The Movo microphone, it definitely does produce a sound that you can hear a lot better than you could hear on the internal speaker in this camera than you would with the Blue Yeti microphone. Not saying that this microphone is better, it definitely picks up a lot more than what you would with the Blue Yeti. Another thing I will add, this tripod, it's great, it's very flexible, and you can put it in just about any position. This definitely a lot less, I guess, flexible and probably stable for that matter, but the ring light, the LED light strip, definitely lighting elements in the studio that I'm definitely gonna miss. But this is definitely a good set of gear to start a YouTube channel on, or if you're anything like me, to allow yourself to do more with your content and not be confined to your bedroom studio like me. Definitely a good thing to have if you want it or if you need it. Another useful feature with this Movo microphone, you can take it off of the shock mount and be like a news reporter. Definitely a cool feature. Obviously, this segment is a tad cringe, but you know, that's just how we do it here on the zonafan channel. But yeah, news reporter microphone. You'll love to see it. And if any of you guys are wondering why I'm recording in my bathroom, this is simply to show you that you can actually record with the microphone flipped around so you're not fixed in a certain position. Also, sorry about the echo. So in conclusion, this is definitely a good pair of products to have if you are in that price point, not wanting to spend too much money to upgrade your camera setup for whatever it is that you do creatively. So if we were in an aquarium, this microphone and this tripod, which I've already forgotten the name of, definitely would get the seal of approval. But anyways, guys, that is gonna do it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and want to promote my content. Be sure to also subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss more tech update videos like this. Be sure to also let me know your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. And if you want to see more vlog style content on this channel using this new rig that I have. If you want to support this channel further, be sure to also follow me on Twitter and Twitch at zonafantv, join my Discord server, and links to all of those that I just mentioned are in the description below this video. That is going to do it for me here, guys. I will see you all in the next one. And always remember, this is zonafan, signing off.